Broke again. Did this in 2017. It is now split again, the crossover tube. This thing is in such bad shape. Last time we changed the burners wasn't that long ago, and they look pretty shitty again. Just overused. Maybe bad food. There's stuff you're putting on the food killing you. Oh, this thing's stuck in here bad. Oh no, this might be a challenge to get out. Oh no. Oh no. Almost didn't want to come out. You gotta be very. This was worse than the first time I changed it. Tells you anything about this thing's condition. Just keep wiggling it. And it will come out. Oh, very bad condition, this thing, very bad. Very bad condition. Holy hell. This was not like this the first time I changed it, not at all. In part, if this tells you anything about this unit, these burners will be shot again in no time as well. So, just saying, when this thing is done, it's the last repair I'll ever do on this. These things fit loose. They rust in place, and yeah. Thought I had to unbolt this when I changed this last time. Maybe I did. I don't remember. You gotta take all this stuff apart. It's just so rusted. This is its last hurrah, man. Time for it to be retired. To the scrapyard, and then you can stick that tube in, play with it, drop it in there. It's a pain in the ass. One tube has to come off though. So rusted. Alright, rinse this pile of junk off. The problem you have with this thing will keep on moving until it rusts itself in place. But that's it. And these are all rotted off. So. And it works! It's on fire! It took a long time for it to cross over, but on fire.